Hello, my name is Donna Lopez. I am one of the assistant directors at the Herndon Senior Center. And I'm here today to present to you chair exercise, okay? We're going to start with some housekeeping. First of all, it's very important that you have a sturdy chair and that you have space that's nice and open, okay? Second, it's very important that you have water nearby. Feel free to take a water break at any time, okay? It's about a 45-minute workout. Third, really important to check with your doctor before starting any new exercises. And last but not least, it's always good to have fun. So let's go ahead and let's get started. We're going to start with a nice little warm-up, okay? Start with the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. To the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Shoulder shrugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Roll it forward and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. To the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, here we go. Arms straight and over, all the way over your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Left, all the way over, same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay? Arms straight out, up, back, and around. 2, out, up, back, and around. 3, up, back, and around. 4, up, back, and around. 5, up, back, and around. 6, up, back, and around. 7, up, back, and around. 8, up, back, and around. 9, up, back, and around. 10, up, back, and around. 11, up, back, and around. 12, up, back, and around. 13, up, back, and around. 14, up, back, and around. And 15, up, back, and around. Left, out, up, back, and around. 2, up, back, and around. 3, up, back, and around. 4, up, back, and around. 5, up, back, and around. 6, up, back, and around. 7, up, back, and around. 8, up, back, and around. 9, up, back, and around. 10, up, back, and around. 11, up, back, and around. 12, up, back, and around. 13, up, back, and around. 14, up, back, and around. And 15, up, back, and around. Let's flutter, flutter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Let's move to the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Crisscross in the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. On the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Let's move into circles with both legs. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Let's move into the arms, circles with the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Touch the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. We're going to move right into head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. 2, shoulders, knees, and toes. 3, shoulders, knees, and toes. 4, shoulders, knees, and toes. 5, shoulders, knees, and toes. 6, shoulders, knees, and toes. 7, shoulders, knees, and toes. 8, shoulders, knees, and toes. 9, shoulders, knees, and toes. 10, shoulders, knees, and toes. 11, shoulders, knees, and toes. 12, shoulders, knees, and toes. 13, shoulders, knees, and toes. 14, shoulders, knees, and toes. And 15, shoulders, knees, and toes. Shoulders to knees, kind of a faster pace. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Knees, shoulders up. Knees, shoulders 2. Knees, shoulders 3. Knees, shoulders 4. Knees, shoulders 5. Knees, shoulders 6. Knees, shoulders 7. Knees, shoulders 8. Knees, shoulders 9. Knees, shoulders 10. Knees, shoulders 11. Knees, shoulders 12. Knees, shoulders 13. Knees, shoulders 14. Knees, shoulders 15. Good. We're going to start with both legs straight up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Both legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Remember, if you need a water break, take it at any time. Also, if you need to slow down your pace, or if you need to slow down your pace, go ahead and do that. And if anything's hurting or anything, remember, always consult your doctor. So here we go. We're going to roll the boat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Let's go swimming. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Breaststroke. 1, 2. Push it out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, let's get a little breath. And out. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. All right, we're going to start our march, okay? This is going to be a little bit more fast-paced, so if you feel like you need to go a little slower, that's perfectly fine. It's about 3 sets, some marching and exercise in between, so let's just get going. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 22, 23, 24, 25. Keep it going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Both legs to the top and both arms to the top. We're tapping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right into jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Back to that march. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Keep pushing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Move into the choo-choo. This is what I like to call the choo-choo. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Kick and punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Another jump jack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, almost 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Back to the march. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Keep pushing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Back to that tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Out to the side. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. You're doing great. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Almost. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's ride that bike. Push it out. You can do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Back to the march. Almost there. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Last set, I promise. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Give me 10 fast. You can do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. We're going to do a deep breath in and exhale out, okay? We're going to do 5 of those. This is going to make you feel a lot better. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Breathe in and hold. 2, 2, 3. Breathe in. 3, 2, 3. 4, 2, 3. Breathe in. 5, 2, 3. You should feel much better now, okay? We're going to start with a little bit more of stretching. Here we go. Palms together, and we're stretching out. We're going to go back to the count of 15. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now we're going to put our elbows together, touch, touch, and we're going to stretch it out to the back. 1, 2, 3, good. 4, don't forget that water break if you need it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. And butterflies. I love my butterflies. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. All right, let's get that shaking going on. We're doing the windmill. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Let's just keep that circle motion going. We're going to bring it around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. We're going to start with the roll up. All right, we're going to roll it up and 1, roll it up and 2, roll it up and 3, roll it up and 4, roll it up and 5, roll it up 6, roll it up 7, roll it up 8, roll it up 9, roll it up 10, roll it up 11, roll it up 12, roll it up 13, roll it up 14, roll it up 15. All right, right leg out. We're going to touch our toe. Nice, good stretch. If you can't touch your toe, you can always touch your knee. Not a problem. Do what you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Left, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, both arms up. Okay, we're going to tap to the back at your shoulders. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Right arm, we're going to cross over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, we're going to tap those toes, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We're going to tap the heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, both legs up, and we're going to push. Push as hard as you can and point your feet as much as you can. That's a stretch for right behind. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, let's move into our fingers. You're going to take each finger and tap it to your thumb. Here we go. Touch, 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 touch. 1. Touch, 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 touch. 2. Touch, 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 touch. 3. Touch, 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 touch. 4. Touch, 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 touch. 5. Touch, 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 touch. 6. Touch, 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 touch. 7. Touch, 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 touch. 8. Touch, 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 touch. 9. Touch, 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 touch. 10. Touch, 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 touch. 11. Touch, 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 touch. 12. Touch, 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 touch. 13. Touch, 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 touch. 14. Touch, 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 touch. 15. Give a nice hard squeeze and then open. 1. That's it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everybody's doing great. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, we're gonna move to the edge of our chair, okay? Arms straight out. This is for like balance, helps with your balance. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put one foot in front of the other, and then you're just gonna choo-choo, like I like to say. We're gonna do this to the count of 30. Keep your back straight, arms out, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, almost, 17, 18, 19, 20. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great job. Arms together, straight out. This is what I call chair sit-ups, okay? We're gonna touch, lean back, but you're not gonna touch your chair, and you're gonna give it to the count of 3. Hold it. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Touch. 2, 2, 3. Touch. 3, 2, 3. Touch. 4, 2, 3. Touch. 5, 2, 3. Touch. 6, 2, 3. Touch. 7, 2, 3. Touch. 8, 2, 3. Touch. 9, 2, 3. Touch. 10, 2, 3. Touch. 11, 2, 3. Touch. 12, 2, 3. Touch. 13, 2, 3. Touch. 14, 2, 3. Touch. 15, 2, 3. Okay, put your shirt down there. Then take your knee up to your chest, okay? And we're gonna roll that ankle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Left, same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Good. Okay, back on the chair. We're gonna do some stretches. Take both hands, put it to the right, and kind of pull the middle of the torso to the right. 1, 2, 3. To the left. 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3. Good. 4, 2, 3. 5, 2, 3. 6, 2, 3. 7, 2, 3. 8, 2, 3. 9, 2, 3. 10, 2, 3. 11, 2, 3. 12, 2, 3. 13, 2, 3. 14, 2, 3. And 15, 2, 3. Gonna move right into playing our piano. Just nice waves. Move the fingers as much as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Break, stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, crisscross, and we're going to touch our back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. We're going to do a clap circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. We're going to bring it down, okay? A little bit of weight action, but without the weights, but it's all good. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Let's get a breath. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Always like to end with a good laugh. So we're going to do our laughing exercise. And all it is just give yourself a laugh. It's always good to laugh. Ha 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 ha. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Great job, everybody. Hope to see you soon.